Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by doing concrete things right away. Allow yourself to feel but enforce zero contact for a set period so you stop reheating pain. Once done, remove or archive messages, photos, and shared playlists to reduce daily triggers. Make one practical plan. Tell one trusted friend and schedule 2 check-ins this week for accountability and emotional relief. These initial moves limit emotional contagion and create breathing room, so you can shift from reaction to intentional. You now focus on steady, repeated practices that change your baseline. Build a simple daily routine with consistent sleep, movement, and a 30 to 60-minute hobby block so your identity re-expands beyond the relationship. Once established, use 10 to 15-minute nightly journaling to name emotions and extract lessons without ruminating. Make sure to reach out for help if intense grief persists. Book a therapy session or join a support group to get structured processing and tools. You finish by intentionally trying new behaviors that prove you can thrive. Test social habits. Go to one activity solo and one with friends each week to rebuild confidence. Define dating readiness with clear criteria, values alignment, stable emotions, and 3 non-negotiables so you avoid rushed rebounds. If things go wrong, pause and tighten boundaries immediately. Reach out to your therapist or accountability buddy, reassess progress, and adjust your routine. This fixes setbacks without derailing long-term growth.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.